Electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation is a pure energy with no mass. It consists of electric and magnetic components and produced by vibrating electric charges. It is a stream of small packets of energy called photons that travels in a wave-like patterns. Electromagnetic radiation travels in a straight line at the speed of light, or 3 times 10 raised to 8 ms. Electromagnetic spectrum is a range of frequencies or wavelength. There are 7 types of electromagnetic radiation. First one is radio waves. Radio waves have the longest wavelength in electromagnetic spectrum. It carries the signals for televisions and cellular phones. Second one is microwave. Longer microwaves is the waves that heats our food in microwave oven, while shorter microwaves are used in remote sensing. These microwaves are used for radar like Doppler radar that are used for weather forecasting. Third one is infrared radiation or IR. Infrared radiation lies between visible light and microwave portion of electromagnetic spectrum. It is named because the wavelength of infrared radiation is just a little bit longer than red rays. The primary source of infrared radiation is heat or thermal radiation. This radiation is produced by the motions of atoms and molecules of the object. Infrared radiation is essentially a heat radiation. It is broken into 3 categories: near infrared, far infrared, and mid-infrared. Near infrared is infrared spectrum that is close to visible light, while far infrared is closer to microwave region. On the other hand, mid-infrared is the region between these two. The fourth one is visible light. Visible light is the only electromagnetic spectrum that can be seen by the human eye. It can be seen as the colors of rainbow, and each colors have different wavelengths. The fifth one is the ultraviolet light or the UV light. Ultraviolet light or UV light has shorter wavelength than visible light. It also has 3 regions: near UV, far UV, and extreme UV. Near UV is the light closest to visible light, while extreme UV is the light closest to X-ray, and far UV is the region between these two. The sixth one is X-ray. X-rays have smaller wavelength and higher in energy than ultraviolet. X-rays were first observed by Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen in 1895. The last one is gamma rays. Gamma rays have the smallest wavelength and higher energy in all electromagnetic spectrum. These waves are generated by radioactive atoms and in nuclear explosions. Gamma rays can also kill living cells or cancerous cells.